Hey guys, it's that time again. We got to pull the barge out. We got it over here sitting on the dry dock. We got it pulled out yesterday. Actually, we had to let it sit in the lift for probably about 2 to 3 hours. I got a video here I'll post right after this picture here, this little segment here, to show you all the water was pouring out of it. But we had actually pumped some out, but there's still a heck of a lot more in there. So we got the barge up on the jacks right now, as you can see. Nice and safe. Got my crew over here. We're all working on it right now, getting it scraped off, needle beaded. They took the pressure washer to it yesterday, got all that stuff off. John's getting suited up, getting ready to get inside the hull down there. We're gonna do all the work in there that needs to be done. Then we're gonna go in with some chlorid, get the salt water rinse in there, try to get all the salt water out of the inside of the barge so we can get some more paint to adhere to the paint in there. Y'all check it out, man. I'll go get a little shot all the way around the barge here, let you see what's happening.
That's a big ass one. Yeah, let that drain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't pick that thing up all the way till that's drained out, Mike.
Trying to grind off all that flaky rust right now, so we put another fresh coat of paint on there. Blue man crew or white man crew?
White man crew.
White man crew. That almost sounded racist.
You didn't know my grandfather worked for NASA, right?
The what?
My grandfather worked for NASA.
Oh, well, that's right. Yeah, there you go.
You know, NASA in Hebrew means deceive. It means to deceive, yes.
I've heard that. I've heard that before, yeah. Yeah. We got our zincs off of this side. We definitely got our money's worth out of these zincs. You see, they're kind of wore down. So now we're scraping over on this side here, getting all the loose rust off. Got some new zincs ordered. Get up underneath here and I'll show you exactly what where the area was. Big old cracks along this edge right here. There's a crack right there. See where the water was just pouring in right there. Can't YouTube none of this, all the music playing, it won't monetize it.
What's that?
So I can't YouTube it because the music's playing, it won't monetize it.
It won't.
Once
That's God's music.
Yeah, I know, once it recognizes a song, you can't get monetized.
Oh,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, unless you're paying copyright.
Oh.
Yeah.
Even God's music?
Even God's music.
Wow.
Hey, we're on day 3 of working on a barge right now. We had several little pinholes in the bottom and a couple of areas where the metal just ripped apart in the front right there. We've got 2 welders out here now trying to speed up the process to get this done. We got the whole thing pressure washed. We got it all ground down. all the loose flakes off of it. Went ahead and went around it with a coat of OSPO inside and out and let it sit for 24 hours. And we're getting started with the epoxy on the front right now. We'll go ahead and epoxy the outside. And then once the welders get done with all the patching on the inside and smoke clears out, we'll clean that again. Then we'll go back with the epoxy coating on the inside. Try to get a little more life out of this barge and protect it so we can keep on working. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. If you haven't given me a subscribe yet, please do so, and give me a like and share it if you will. Thanks. What's going down there, Johnny? Johnny. How's it going?
Yeah, I think he stayed in there too long the first time this morning. He was struggling.
Oh man, the
I was
fumes.
like, man,
Yeah,
10-15 minutes to come out for 5.
Yep, they got wind. They got air circulating through there, don't they? They need
That
it.
one fan stopped working, the black fan. They've got the drop fans in there, but the one black one, I guess they said isn't working.
I got 2 in the back. Well, 5 days into the project, we've got the barge pressure wash. We've got it grinded, and we've got it all welded up. It took probably 4 days on welding, a lot of patches on there and all that. The guys are inside the barge now. We got it cleaned out, grinded down, and they're grinded down, something like that. We got all that done and put epoxy in there now, so they're all masked up. We got air circulating through there, so we can get good ventilation in there. And the guys are in there painting that now. And you got the guys on the outside. We're doing the bottom epoxy coat. We're doing real thick coats because the metal on this is actually very thin, so we're trying to at least seal it up with some of the epoxy as well. But we got the outside mostly painted, working on the bottom, working on the top, and we're hoping to have this thing back in the water by next week. The blue stripe represents where we're going with the bottom paint and the Fallon paint on the bottom. A couple good coats of epoxy on there already. You guys are taking a lot of pride in this one here. We definitely appreciate our equipment. Try to take care of it because it takes care of us. Little bolts right here are for our zincs. We got the bolt-on zincs, so we're waiting for those to show up. We'll get them put in place. It's a lot of hard, hot work. I got my truck yesterday when I was leaving, and the temperature in my truck said 101, so I couldn't imagine what the temperature gets to inside this thing. And you're all suited up too.
Alright, so this is me starting in the middle hole. Alright, now we are in the front hole. Let's walk through.
we go. Got the barge redid, the boat redid. I got a couple pictures of that. We're repainting the boat, putting bottom paint on it, new stickers on it, cleaning it up, and now we got it back in the water. Already got it back over to the boat ramp with the tractor on it, getting material loaded up for the next job. Appreciate you guys watching this and checking it out. Let me know what you think. Give me a like, subscribe. Thank you. Appreciate you, Austin, for encouraging me to get another video out there, man. It always means a lot when I know that people are really watching. We just got done working on this project here. Y'all keep an eye on it. You'll see this is a major transformation of the customer's backyard. Turned out really good. Terraced this whole hillside.